Inserting images. In class 7th, you studied how to insert an image as a background of the web page using the background image attribute. Now you are going to learn how to insert an image to support the text. It makes the web page look more attractive, informative, and meaningful. Web browsers support a number of graphic formats like JPEG, GIF, TIFF, etc. Given below are some of the most widely used formats. Graphics Interchange Format (GIF) is a preferred format for displaying images designed with a graphics program. This format uses a maximum of 256 colors and a combination of these to create more colors. The GIF format is not suitable for photographic images or images with gradient colors because GIF format has limited colors. Joint Photographic Expert Group (JPEG) is the best format for photographs as it contains 1 million colors. Portable Network Graphics (PNG) is a preferred format for images with transparencies or low color counts. Image tag. The image tag specifies an image to be displayed in an HTML document. The image element is an empty element. The image tag has the following attributes: attribute, description, values. Example: src specifies the source or URL of an image. URL image source is equal to rose.jpg. Alt specifies an alternate text for an image. Text image source is equal to tulip.jpg. Alt is equal to image not available. Height specifies the height of an image. Value in pixels. Image source frog.jpg. Height is equal to 100. Width specifies the width of an image. Value in pixels. Image source lizard.jpg. Height 100. Width 80. You can also set the margin, alignment, and border properties for an image tag. You can also specify the height and width of an image using CSS. Go through the following HTML code to understand how an image can be inserted to support the text. Also see its output in the next screenshot.